and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some paintings to share with you today from FGNormal. They were kind enough to send me some goodies. So let's get into number one and have a look at what diamond paintings I chose. Because I don't tend to look before doing the unboxing videos, I don't tend to remind myself of what it was that I ordered. I like the surprise when I show you guys too. Oh, this one was because of the colours. It just grabbed me as a simple yet statement piece. I often go for paintings that do really catch my eye, and this was definitely one of them. So it is a 30 by 40, it is a round diamond painting. It comes with 29 colours and does have DMC numbers as well, but there is some gorgeous shading in these. So if you have a look, the sky might look like one colour, but it's not. Same with the mountains or the hills as well. There's all multiple different shades in with that. It has a diamond painting area of 25 centimetres by 34.5 centimetres. So a nice size diamond painting. Does come with a toolkit with boat wax pen. Let's have a look at these colours. It only has one symbol as well. The rest are all letters and numbers, which is nice. And then look at some of these pinks. It's like a corally pink, isn't it? Some dusty blues, some more corally and dusty pinks, a few greys and browns. Oh, look at those blues. They're going to pop. Some darker blue, some brown, some peachy beigey colours, some more sort of burnt rust colours, guessing that's more this one, and then we've got a few more blues as well, and then a few more pops of nice bright blues. So some gorgeous colours. It's blocky but not blocky, so in the fact that, you know, you are working in sort of a block of blue down here, but you're not working in all one colour. There's multiple different shades of blue. So I can imagine this being a fairly quick painting to do, especially if you decided to do all this blue and then decided to do all this section and so forth and worked your way up. I can imagine that would come together quite quickly. So that is painting number one. I've just thrown the tub for my tape measure across my craft room, but that's fine. We'll struggle to find that later. Painting number two. What did I choose? Oh, more of these springy flowers again. I do love these. I do love these images with the wood on the back. This painting does have those training wheels around it. Not as keen on those, or at least I call them training wheels. The circles around the symbols. I'm not as keen depending on what they're like. I haven't worked on it, so I can't tell you exactly what they're like, but they look quite big. Circles, which means sometimes they can peek out from under the diamonds, which is not nice on the lighter colours, but you never quite know until you do it. But I do love the image. Sort of a, is it a cottagey farmhouse type image. Does come with a toolkit. It has 21 colours, 22 colours. Does come with DMC numbers. And it is 25 centimetres by 34.5 centimetres, nearly 35. And then colours wise, feel like we're going to have quite a few browny, beigey, grey colours, but we do have some pops of orange and some whites. So I think this is going to turn out lighter than what it necessarily looks, because those circles around the symbols make it look darker. But then we do have some pale blue, black, some greys, so we do have some dark greys, but then we have those lighter beigey colours, pops of purple, quite a few more lighter colours there, beige, grey, a light pink, some greens, more greens, oh, that's a nice green, nice sagey pale green, and then we have some more pinks and some more browns. So colours wise, I think they're a lot lighter than they necessarily look, but as I say, that will be the training wheels on the canvas, as I call them, to try and make you stay in the lines, but it can actually be harder to work with. So they're not as good as training wheels. They definitely make you focus on where you're putting them, but hopefully once the lighter diamonds are down, you can't actually see them around the outside of your diamonds, but we'd find that out once it's done. So that is number 2, and then we have number 3, and this one is definitely bigger, but I don't know if it's fatter. So is it a full drill? It is a full drill. This has 21 colours. It comes in baggies. I like it when they come in baggies. So this is a 40 by 40. It has 21 colours and they do come with DMC numbers. And this is like a framed picture of the galaxy with the Earth popping outside of the frame. So it's like you've already got a mount for your frame. It is just short of 35 centimetres one way, and it's 35 centimetres the other way. But that is fascinating how they get the galaxy to look like that with the diamonds. But you do get a toolkit, boat wax pen, and here's your amazing colours. So this, your border is actually a peach. It's 3770, so it's actually a peach colour rather than a white colour. And then we've got purples, greens, burgundies, of course quite a few different shades of blue, a few more pops of purple, and there is a tiny bit of yellow sticking in there as well, which is probably down here on this planet. But it does come in bags with the numbers on it. So 19 is your 3770, which is the majority of your border, though there is a scattering of 739 in there as well. But really nice blues with the pops of colour, and of course you've got your border as well. So if you did work across, while you would have a couple of sections, maybe at the top and the bottom, where you had a lot of border, I'd potentially start this one at the top. So do the big lot of border first, and then work round so you have a little bit of border, some nice blues, and then the border, and then start bringing in, as you work down, this more variety. And then this border at the bottom, you've got the bottom of the Earth coming into it, so it breaks it up for you. But we always start a painting eager. So I always figure get the sometimes more boring, sometimes enjoyable block sections done first, and then you get the really nice transformation as you go on. But anyway, that is my selection of 3 for today. I hope you've liked them and of course enjoyed seeing what the actual canvases look like, because sometimes you don't know whether they're going to have these training wheels on or not, and sometimes there are just so many images to choose from. It's nice to see a few up close, if you can call it that. Depends on where you watch YouTube, I guess. But these were my 3 choices for today, so I hope you like them. I will pop links down below. Of course, you can also go and have a browse and see if there's anything else you like. But thank you to FGNormal for sponsoring today's video, and of course thank you all to you guys for watching. It wouldn't be possible without you, so do make sure that you hit the like button and you are subscribed, just to show your little bit of support for this channel, and I'll speak to you all again soon.